Meron akong acne-prone skin. Okay lang ba na gumamit ako ng mga plant-based skincare? So kung meron kayong acne-prone skin, i-discuss natin ang mga kailangan nyong malaman bago nyo i-consider or gamitin ang mga plant-based skincare. So guys, if gusto nyo malaman kung ano ang plant-based skincare, gumawa ako recently ng isang video and you can go back to that video and then balikan nyo po yung video na ito kung gusto nyo po. So guys, pag may acne-prone skin ng isang pasyente, definitely very sensitive po yung skin ng isang pasyente. Kung nagkaroon po ito ng allergies or irritation, it can cause inflammation. That can make your acne worse. So guys, pag sinasabing plant-based skincare, hindi ibig sabihin ay gentle or non-irritating na ito. Kasi guys, may mga botanical extracts kagaya ng tea tree oil and also yung mga citrus oils na nagkakos ng allergies, irritation, and sometimes photosensitivity, especially in patients who have very sensitive skin. And also guys, yung mga essential oils, isa sila sa mga ingredients na implicated na nagpo-produce ng reactions sa mga patients with acne-prone and rosacea-prone skin. And meron din tayong mga plant oils guys na yung plant oils, pag hindi tama ang paggamit natin, mas increase yung chance na mag-clog siya ng pores and this can worsen your acne or trigger acne. So examples of this is yung wheat germ oil. Hindi ko rin favorite guys yung mga squalane na plant-derived kasi I find it heavy for patients who are in the Philippines and medyo acne-prone yung skin nila and prone sila to develop mga comedones or tiny bumps. So, you can opt for rosehip oil or mga jojoba oil, no? Just make sure, guys, na i-follow niyo yung directions carefully na nakalagay doon sa ating mga packaging. And also, guys, kailangan natin tandaan na hindi lahat ng plant-derived ingredients po ay well-studied. Lalo na yung mga trendy botanicals, mga bagong release pa lang ng mga botanicals, baka wala pa po masyadong scientific backing in terms of effectivity and safety. So, mas okay na i-choose natin yung mga plant-derived ingredients na meron ng robust study kagaya ng mga green tea para sa inflammation and also licorice root extract para sa hyperpigmentation. Mas preferred po yung mga ganong plant-derived ingredients na meron na po mga studies. And also guys, let's remember that plant-derived ingredients may sometimes contain multiple natural compounds. And alam naman natin guys, no, pag i-expose natin ang balat natin sa mas maraming compounds or mas maraming ingredients, nagkakaroon ng increased chance of sensitization to those compounds leading to allergic contact dermatitis. Kaya very important to patch test muna your mga plant-derived skincare before you actually use them to your whole face. So, meron akong ginawang video guys, how to patch test your skincare. So, pwede nyo siya search na lang dito sa TikTok search bar. So, guys, if you're eyeing on a plant-based skincare and you're still not sure, you can send me the full ingredients list and I can check for you one by one to see if it's okay and free naman po siya. Alright, guys? So, I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!